Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp E watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and brightness, and tap on it. And here you should see the option called screen on duration. Select it. And now you should see the list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds, and 30 seconds. Select the duration you like. For example, let's say 5 seconds. And once you select it, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And now my screen will turn off after 5 seconds of inactivity, so we can wait. And as you can see, it turned off. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.